Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to download the TSMSET 2020 hall tickets. So I have provided this link in the description of this video. It is the official website of TSMSET. So once you scroll down on this website, you will find a link like download hall ticket. Here it is, you can find it, right? Click on the download hall ticket. So one more page will open up. You have to enter your details, then only you can download this hall ticket. You can print this hall ticket. So you have to enter your registration number. So after entering all the details, you just need to click on get hall ticket. Click on that and you can able to see your hall ticket and you can download it easily. So here you go. Test date and time is 14th September Monday. It is morning shift, that is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Stream is engineering and it is the hall ticket number. And if you go to the center, it is Ion Digital Zone Maulali. So if you scroll down, here are some here you will find your details, your name and all those things. And here you have to sign signature of the candidate in presence of invigilator only. Don't sign it before. Let's go through these important instructions which they have given on the hall ticket. The candidate is advised to visit the test center well in advance to get the acquaintance with the location. The candidate will be permitted in the examination hall from 7:30 onwards if it is a morning session, and for evening or that is afternoon session you will be allowed from 1:30 p.m. onwards. And on the day of test, as the candidate has to go to undergo the verification process, as it takes some considerable time to complete registration process, the candidate who will come early will have the advantage of starting the test in time. So they are saying you that please arrive soon so that you don't get late to your examination. And your exam is going to close by 12 p.m. and for afternoon session it is going to close by 6 p.m. So you are supposed to carry a black or blue ballpoint pen, hall ticket and filled in online application form, and caste certificate is required for SC or ST category only, and you can carry the Xerox of caste certificate. So they are saying that complete the filled in online application form, attach a photograph and get attested by a gazetted officer or principal of the college where the candidate has last studied. Okay, and also provide left hand thumb impression using stamp pad, and you have to sign in presence of invigilator. The only thing you are supposed to do is sign in the presence of invigilator during the exam. Rest of the things you should do it well before the exam. Point number 6, the candidate should return the completely filled in online application form along with the booklet for rough work which they have provided in the exam hall. Carrying of calculators, mathematical or log tables or any such kind of things, even watches, are not allowed. Okay. And one more important point is that the candidate is required to bring at least one valid original photo identification, not photocopied or not scanned copy. They are saying that the original photo identification, original Aadhaar card or original college ID card or driving license, that is original. Okay. The candidate should also sign on the hall ticket in presence of invigilator. Hall ticket must be preserved till the time of admission into the college. So after the exam, don't just throw away the hall ticket. Please keep that hall ticket. It is important for admission process also. No traveling expenses will be paid for the journey to take the test. Okay, so you are supposed to travel by yourself. And regarding some COVID-19 specific special instructions, candidate must maintain social distancing starting from point of entry in the exam till the exit from the exam venue. Candidates need to follow directions given by representatives and need to stand in the circles drawn at the entry point of test centers. So this is the self-declaration form. You have to enter that you are not tested positive, enter your candidate name, hall ticket number and signature and date, all those things. And in the bottom, they have given you the test center route map. They have given a screenshot of the Google map. Even you can just type this center in the Google map and you can get the direction, get the entire location. So this was all about how you can download and you can just print this paper and you can just carry this hall ticket. So please download an original copy instead of a black and white copy. Download a colorful copy so that everything gets scanned perfectly and your photo is visible. All details are visible perfectly. I suggest you to download an original copy. So that's all for this video, and those students who are waiting for that important video, it will be uploaded by today evening. Okay, thanks for watching and share this informative video among your classmates.